Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where you can find map display settings on Waze. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the Waze app, then click on the My Waze. After that, click on the settings at the top left corner, then click on the map display. And here you can see several settings like the color scheme, which can be night, auto or day. You can select regarding when you are driving, the map view, 3D, auto or 2D, the keep map north up option, the auto zoom, the type, which can be default or map editors, the car icon. Here you can see special icons and the regular icons. So yeah, this is really fun. After that, the view on map section. Here you can see the report. Yeah, like alert on the speed cams, red light cameras, crashes, police, construction, and so on. So these are really helpful when you are driving or you are going to a trip. So yeah, after that, the show Wazers option. Who are using Waze, those are the Wazers. After that, the show traffic option, which is really helpful as well if you are going to a long drive or to a trip. The speedometer show on map, so you can turn this on and off as well. And here you can see three settings: the show speed limit, don't show when above limit or always, the speeding threshold, and here you have several options for this setting as well. And the alert when speeding option, get an alert when you reach the speed limit to help you avoid tickets and drive safer. So yes, this is helpful. And the quick access, always show map controls, pin your quick access option to the map for easy access. Yeah, and the low zoom control. And the last one is the Google Assistant, which is a really helpful additional setting in Waze. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.